Hey, good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about what I typically do when I kick off a project, when I'm looking at a new site and I want to analyze the drainage. I will typically go to InfraWorks and download GIS data. This is way before you even get the survey back. I'm just going to go through and say, okay, let's get some contours in there. Let's see what the drainage looks like, and do some preliminary analysis and stuff like that. So just going to show you a quick step how that's done and how easy it can be if you don't have other resources and stuff. So I'm going to go. Here's my site here. It's in Rockport, Texas. I'm going to go to InfraWorks, go into Model Builder. I'm sorry, Model Builder, and go into Rockport, Port, Texas, right there. I'll turn on the arrow in the upper right-hand corner. And I think my site is that I'm looking at. This is just a preliminary site. Is right located in here. So I'll just say Rockport. Assign a coordinate system. So this is probably like South Texas, South Foot. Okay, and then I'll click, and I'm going to confirm real quick. I'm going to go to my Civil 3D and just see what that is real quick in the survey. Oh, South Central. Oh, I almost made a mistake. Okay, South Central. Sorry. South Central USA foot right there. All right. Um, and yep, got it. Okay, now let's pick an area, which is the rectangle. I'm going to pick an area about this big right here. All right, I can just call it, new project. Okay, let's see here. South Central foot. There we go. Create model. Depends on the size of the area you selected. It could take 30 seconds or up to 5 minutes to pick on that size. So once I'm done, I'll come in and go back to Civil 3D, start working on Civil 3D, and just wait for the notification. You should get an email notification, and then you can go back and reopen it. It pops up here. We're going to wait till it pops back open, and then I'm going to bring it right into Civil 3D so I can look at it and analyze it. So, all right, so I'm going to take a quick pause. Okay, I'm back. So it took exactly 2 minutes for it to come in. So I'm now going to click on it. You see it says Rockport. You do have an option now to cache it locally or on the cloud. I'm just going to say locally for now. It's downloading the GIS data or any other free available data that's out there. So like road data or storm data. Okay. Go create the model. And there we go. Now I can do some drainage analysis in here. I created a video earlier. I think a month ago, where I showed you how to create watersheds in here to analyze drainage and stuff. So now they have the model. I can close this out. You have to physically close out of InfraWorks. You can't just leave it like this. You got to get out of it. Okay, so I'm going to bring that in. I'm going to actually open up InfraWorks model. Then I can browse to my folder where it's being saved. I'm going to go back to my Autodesk InfraWorks 360, today's date, and there's the model. It should identify the coordinate system already that matches. Okay, and then I can go into refine selection set. Back in the past, when I clicked on this, it always locked up. It was really frustrating. But here, I just want the surface. I don't want the road alignments, anything else. Water, yes, fine. There's two surfaces and that's it. Okay, now I'll say open model, let it bring in, and there we go. I now have my surface. Okay, and then I can mesh those two together by just coming in here and then creating like a GIS one. Code GIS-EG. Okay, and then I can paste the two in there together and turn those other ones off and stuff. So, and now I can analyze my surface model in here for drainage. So that's how easy it is. This is way before you even got the contract. on a project or in the survey. I'm just analyzing stormwater and saying, okay, what do we have on this property? Where this water's going and stuff like that. So that's how easy it is if you have InfraWorks and stuff. So anyway, just wanted to show you that simple tip. All right, thanks for watching. Later. Thanks, everyone.